Dito sa episode na to, na 1945, ang character ko is someone, a mother from that era, na pre-Japanese and post-Japanese war ito. Tapos, bale, ang mangyayari, mawawala sa amin yung asawa ko. Mahihiwalay siya sa amin. Tapos, pagkatapos ng gera, hindi namin alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya. Siguro naging prisoner siya of war, ganyan. Pero umaasa kami na babalik siya. Until one time, parang kinutuban na lang ako na may masamang nangyari sa kanya. So, but as a family, me, as by then, naging single mother na ako, I still tried to raise my 2 daughters. Tapos, hanggang sa one day, may dumating na lang sa amin at sinerve sa amin yung insurance that he has prepared for us pala nung maayos pa yung buhay namin.
Okay, here we go. And action!
My character's name is Enchong, who's a responsible father dito na make sure na kahit ano mangyari sa kanya, nakasecure yung family niya. And we have to consider ito yung panahon ng war, so unstable lahat ng situation. So is responsible enough na gawin yung dapat para sa family.
Never done any period film. Usually, mga very recent eras like 80s, ganyan, 90s, but nothing as, you can say radical, nothing as far back as the 1940s.
For one, yung setting. Bago ko tanggapin na I learned about the setting, period, na-excite ako, syempre. Sabi ko. Pero yung character niya as a person, normal naman sa ating mga Pinoy na gano'n, diba? Marami akong na-meet na gano'n.
It's one of the reasons that got me to say yes. Working with Direk June. When I found out that he was directing this, I instantly said yes because I really wanted to work with him again. The very first experience on a commercial was very pleasant and we had good rapport. So, when you have good experiences with someone, diba, you'd always want to collaborate and work with them over and over as many times as possible.
I usually prepare for a role, pero this time around, bombarded kami with information. Tapos you're working with Direk June Reyes, so yung how do you call this, research and all that, ginawa na for us. So all we have to do is ilagay lang yung emotion namin sa tama during the scene, and it's nice working with people na talagang professional and alam nila yung ginagawa na. That's what happened dito sa project na to. So nakatulong ng malaki yun sa preparasyon.
I'd like to invite everyone to experience the Sun Shorts on the net. It will be on July 25. And the very first short film that you will see will be mine and Richard Juan's, directed by Direk June Reyes. And that is 1945.